Hello students, today we are going to learn about the next topic in the chapter 1, that is Introduction to Geotechnical Engineering, Basic Definitions and their Relationships. Coming to the next topic, we are dealing with the type 7 of the numerical problems related to relationship between unit weights with void ratio. Coming to the problem, he gave the moisture unit weight of the soil as 9.2 kilonewton per meter cube. He also gave the specific gravity, that is GS is equal to 2.69, and the moisture content as 9.8%. We have to determine dry unit weight, void ratio, porosity and degree of saturation. We know from the basic definitions gamma D is equal to gamma by 1 plus W. The gamma value is given as 9.2 and the water content is given as 9.8%, nothing but 9.8 by 100. After calculation, we get it as 17.5 kilonewton per meter cube. We also know there is a relationship between gamma D and GS, as gamma D is equal to GS into gamma W by 1 plus E. Here the value of gamma D is 17.5, GS is 2.69 and gamma W value is taken as 9.81. And the value of E is unknown. So we have to calculate the value of E, that is 2.51. We know from the basic definition porosity is equal to E by 1 plus E. We have already calculated the value of E from the above calculation. Just substitute, we get the value of N as 0.338. From the basic definition, we have SE is equal to W into GS. So just substitute the value. We only don't know the value of the degree of saturation, that is ES. W 9.8%, that is 0.098 into 2.69 by 0.51 into 100, because degree of saturation is taken as percent. It is equal to 51.7%. This is the second method. We can also calculate from the basic definitions like W is equal to VW by VS, then substitute with the relevant formula, that is SC into gamma W by GS into gamma W, because we know that SC is equal to W into SE is equal to W into GS. So here W, if we take W outside, that is W is equal to SC by GS, just multiplying by unit weight on both sides. We can also get like this. So SC value can also be calculated like this. We can also go through this formula, that is gamma is equal to W by V. W is the total weight, or it can also be written as WW plus WS by V. And this WW we know GS into gamma W. WS can be written as SC into gamma W. So substitute all the values, we get the value of E. This is also one method to solve the problem. And from the definitions, we have gamma D is equal to WS by V or gamma WGS by 1 plus E. We know the value of E, so we can calculate the value of N, that is porosity. After calculation, we can get the value of SE, because SC is equal to GS into W. So after getting the value of ES, or we can also have SC is equal to 0.263 or S is equal to by E. The value of E we have calculated, that is 0.50852. Any method we can do. Into 100 we are doing because it is expressed as percentage, that is degree of saturation. Even we get the same value, that is 52.34%. Coming to the next problem, field density testing has done and the bulk density of a compacted road base is to be given, that is rho m 2.06 ton per meter cube with a water content 11.6. Specific gravity of soil is taken as 2.6, and we have to calculate E and degree of saturation. Yes, what we know that SC is equal to W into what is 2.69, nothing but the GS. We know this relationship. Just substitute. SC is equal to what is W? W is given as 11.6. So by 100 it is 0.116 into what is GS? GS is taken as 2.69. We get the value of ESC 0.312. We know this relationship of rho m is equal to GS plus SC by rho W by 1 plus C. Just substitute the value. Rho m is given as 2.6, GS 2.69, plus we have calculated SC value as 0.12 into what is rho W, it is taken as 1, was gram per cc. And after we only don't know the value of the E. After putting appropriate values, we can just calculate the value of E as 0.457. It has no units. Thank you.